हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रिया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ अल गज़ल का एक परफ्यूम रिव्यू लेकर आई हूँ एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज ऊद शार्की। नाउ इंटरनेट इज टॉकिंग अ लॉट अबाउट दिस वन, लाइक इस परफ्यूम के बारे में बहुत रिव्यूज आ रहे हैं, बहुत परफ्यूमर्स इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। सो आई रियली वांटेड टू टेस्ट एंड ट्राई एंड सी व्हाट द हाइप इज अबाउट. So we're going to discuss everything that I know about this fragrance. So let's begin with the review. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया, you've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So let's talk about the packaging. It comes in this brown box with all the details in golden and white. And Oud Sharki by Al Ghazal is written right here. This is a 100 ml bottle which is priced for 1,499 rupees. And these are all the details about the fragrance, the quantity, the pricing, ingredients and everything that you need to know. The box looks good. It has kind of like a Middle Eastern vibe to it, and this is how the perfume bottle looks like. I like how basic, how beautiful, how simple this bottle is, and yet it looks very classy. Like the glass grooves that you have here, they feel very nice in quality. There's a brown brand running on it, and in some other language this is written, and it's written Oud Sharki. And overall the bottle has grooves, very comfortable to hold on to. The cap is good quality, it's plastic but good quality, and the atomizer is golden in color. The sprayer is good in quality and diffuses the product really well. And this perfume feels like a sweeter sister of Latafa Khamra. Now if you're not aware of what Latafa Khamra is or what this perfume represents, it's basically a very warm, spicy, sweet, boozy kind of a fragrance that feels like comforting. It feels like a warm hug, has a very warm overall feel to it. Now the sweetness in this fragrance comes from two major things. One is the dates and the vanilla. That's where the whole that thickness, that syrupy feel, that ooey gooey raisin feel comes from. There is a lot of cinnamon in this. Like the cinnamon kick is so real, like you cannot ignore it. I do feel like a hint of elaichi or cardamom also running in the background. It does feel like a very heavy on booze, and definitely has that licorice vibe to it. So the overall, the vanilla, the rum, the booze, the spiciness, the cinnamon and the dates is just making it very rich, very warm, very strong, very spicy, and it definitely has an Indian kitchen feel to it. How I kind of see this fragrance is that you are just chilling out maybe on a recliner and you're just sipping your drink and you're talking to your partner and you're just wrapping your arms around your partner and watching some Netflix. You're just having a good time, having some good romantic talks, just sharing your experience with each other. So kind of like a romantic date night situation is what I feel on this fragrance. Has a very comforting vibe to it for somehow like just wrapping around your arms, either just wrapping someone in your arms or you being wrapped by someone. It just has that feel to it. Very romantic, very gorgeous, a beautiful unisex fragrance because it's very balanced in terms of sweet and spiciness. I find myself gravitating a lot towards perfumes like these in colder months during evening and nighttime. If I'm going for clubbing, or if I'm going for even if I'm going with my friends for a movie just to have a nice time, just to have a comforting time, I would wear something like this. It just has a nice appeal to it and that comforting feel because of the warm spiciness that is here. So I absolutely love how this is. Now coming to the longevity and the performance and everything, this one is a good performer. You will get easy 7 to 8 hours, and you'll get that wisp throughout the day that you're wearing. So the projection is good. You will not feel that this is just gone somewhere. No, you're just going to sense it again and again. So the projection is really good. The projection is heavy. Also the sillage, it fills in the room eventually and it creates a massive scent bubble around you. So in close vicinity, people are going to witness this one. So this is how the performance is. I'm not saying that all the 8 hours this is going to project. The initial 2 hours the projection is good, and then it kind of fades out. So I'm someone who's a heavy sprayer and somebody who mostly refreshes the perfume after 5 hours, because I just like to enjoy and rouse myself into that feel of the fragrance. So I usually do a touch up in like 5 to 6 hours. But this is not the kind of fragrance which needs a touch up as such. So, I'm just saying it's a personal preference if I want to touch up, but I'm not saying that there's a need to touch this up. Overall, for the price, for the quality, for the quantity, I think this is a banger. Like, I literally think this is a banger, and I literally feel that it's a slightly better than Camra, just because you are paying less and you're getting a better scent profile. So for me, the overall rating on this perfume is 10 out of 10. I do love it, I enjoy it, and this is the scent profile that I usually prefer a lot during evening and nighttime, be it any season. I really love this because I love sweet fragrances. So I think my rating for this one is 10 out of 10. I know what the hype is about. I know why internet is talking so much about it. I know why people are loving it, and I highly recommend this one. Alright, so that brings us to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this and the review was helpful. If you did, do hit the like button. Don't forget to share your opinion about this perfume in the comment section below. Let's make that area chatty. Also subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.